Go ahead and sharpen your pencil if you need to. The best sharpener is in the other room.
It's locked.
So go ahead
that
on your
out very
piece of
quickly.
paper. Oh, then get another one. There should be more. On your piece of paper,
Here.
construct a segment
Okay.
just with your freehand or using a straight edge. Make a line, a segment.
What are we doing?
Thank you.
Make a segment and label the endpoints A and B. You don't need your compass for this part. Just make a line, a segment, label the endpoints A and B.
I love doing this is fun stuff.
Do we need a, There's a rat in my basement.
Raccoon or not?
Wait, I Wait,
Anybody need a straight edge?
Thanks.
Can't put it out.
That does not look like a pig.
I just saw
That's
one
not
over
a
here.
pig.
Anybody need a, you have one?
Yeah, I do actually.
Can I have one, Robin?
Nice.
Okay, so you have a segment labeled at A and B. Now, using your compass, okay, Chase, we need a segment, straight line, segment, label it A and B. The endpoints A and B. Here's another straight edge. Now, using your compass, not your straight edge or anything. Make a congruent segment. Do you remember how to do that?
Yes.
A congruent segment to A and B. Or to segment A, B.
Wait a second before we make the weird little half circle through.
That's where you take your compass.
A little more than halfway.
Chase, done.
Remember, you take your compass and you put it on one of the endpoints.
Crap.
Oh, what's your language,
Just
please?
shoot, Robin.
Thank you.
Ah!
Okay.
Robin going in.
So remember, where's your endpoint? Over here.
Right. It's actually this one. That was that one, but now it's this one.
And so you want to get a congruent
Wait.
segment.
Done.
So say if you're using this one, and A is an endpoint and B is an endpoint, you go like
Oh
this.
my gosh.
And then you come over here and you make a point, and then you go like this, and then you draw the line.
Yes.
Make
Got it.
nice frog, but make a segment A and B.
Looks like a turtle head.
Okay, you guys remember how you do it? You make the segment A and B, you put your point of the compass. I have to make mine smaller since.
Did I do it right? I think I did it totally wrong.
Let's see.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Okay, you have your A and B, you put your point on there, and remember you measure it from A and B, then you make another point. You put your compass on there, the one point, then you make an arch on the other point, and then you take your straight edge and you draw your line between the two. And then that should be congruent to that. Show me one. That, what would that be called? Angle bisector.
I drive a
So
tractor.
this is making a congruent segment. And everybody make sure you do that. Got it?
Stop it, you done?
Okay, the next thing, constructing congruent angles. This is a congruent segment. Remember with a congruent angle, we have an angle here. And we're going to label it angle A. And you need to construct an angle that's congruent to it. Do you remember how to do that?
I'm so good.
So you draw a segment with a ray.
Yeah, because we're trying to find out what D is.
And remember remember how to do it? You make 2 points on this one. And with your compass, well, what you do with your compass, first you bring your compass out. Where did I put my compass?
You do it more than halfway.
You bring your compass out and you make the arch. Remember that part?
Yes.
And then you have to bring this out, and it has to be a little more than halfway. And you make one arch from that side. Oh wait, I'm doing an angle bisector.
Yeah, that's what we were doing, wasn't it?
We're gonna make 2 congruent angles this time.
Oh.
So I don't know if I did show you guys how to do this.
No.
So you go like this, you make an arch through it. So now you have these 2 points right there. And then you put your compass on one of the points and measure it to the other point.
Okay.
Oh wait,